what's going on, Samurais? It's your boy Sam, and we are back in 2020. Happy New Year's with all brand new videos for the Familia. So this is the perfect opportunity right now. If you've not already done it, go down and click that subscribe button and join the Familia. If you've already joined the Familia, thank you very much. And remember to share these videos with your friends and family so we can grow our community to be large and in charge here on YouTube. Also, make sure to follow me on all my social media at Sam Angelo. And if you like today's video, remember to give it a thumbs up and always feel free to ask comments in the comment section. All right, Samurais, the first video of 2020, we are going to be talking about something we've been doing a ton here at Angello Productions, and that is swapping the color of product photos for Amazon. So we have a lot of clients that are selling products on Amazon, and they need to swap out the color of a product. So we found out that it's not very economical for us or for our clients to sit there and shoot the same product 20 times for 20 different color of the same item. So what we do is we hop into Photoshop, we do a lot of that voodoo we do, and we swap the color almost instantaneously. Now this works great for single color items that are on a white background. This works perfectly for that kind of stuff. So let's hop over into Photoshop and let me show you how to do that right now. All right, Samurai, so as you guys can see, we are now inside of Photoshop. Now, this is one of our client's photos, and he makes pizza bags, and he wants us to change this pizza bag from red to black for his Amazon page. Now, if you do a lot of work with people that sell stuff on Amazon, this technique typically works fairly well when you're dealing with a product that is one solid color. Just like this pizza bag, it's red. So all we need to do this is, it's very simple, no masking, no nothing. We just have to come over to our adjustments layer, go to hue and saturation, click on that. Once it opens up, we're going to go to where it says master, and we're going to go to the red channel. Once we are on the red channel, it's going to allow us to only change things that are in that red spectrum. So now you can see I can make this bag blue, green, pink, whatever color I pretty much want. It is the pizza bag of many colors. Get it? Dolly Parton reference? I know, I'm old. So if we scroll down here to this bottom slider, we can actually just take that all the way over to the side, and bada boom, bada bing, it is black. One other thing that might help here is we can actually go into our curves layer, and we can just play around with that to get the right tone of black, just like so. And now we have our pizza bag. It's adjusted. It is now the color black. Now, this does come with a couple little caveats. So if we hop over to this photo over here, which is of a gymnast, and she has this leotard on, say we wanted to change the color of this leotard, and we tried the same method. So we're gonna go over here, we'll click on hue and saturation, we will go to our red channel because pink is kind of in that same spectrum as red, and we would try to change it now. Oh wait, everything's changing because that color pink is kind of throughout the whole photo. It's in the foreground, background, it's on the subject, so it's kind of all over the place. So to change just the color of the leotard, we would actually need to create some masking. Now, if you guys want to know how to do that, I have another video that shows you exactly how to change the color of an object that kind of blends in with everything. That is linked in the description of this video. I also have another video out that shows you how to quick select something very, very simply. That will also be in the description of this video as well. All right, Samurais, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys truthfully enjoyed it. If you did enjoy, make sure to smash that thumbs up button so I know to keep making more videos just like this one. Also, if you're brand new around here and you've not yet clicked that subscribe button, go do it right now. We try to upload brand new videos every week for the Familia. Also, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to ask them in the comment section below and say it with me. Until next time, remember to dream big, think bigger, and always be you. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.